everyone, my name is Adhithi and welcome to my course Cypress End-to-End JavaScript Testing. I'm a software consultant, author, speaker and blogger. You can follow me on Twitter at Adhithi Ravi or visit my website adhithiravichandran.com to keep in touch and learn more about me. Are you looking to test your web application just like a real user would with automated end-to-end tests? Cypress is a fast, easy, and reliable end-to-end testing framework that can test anything that runs on a browser. In this course, we're going to learn about end-to-end testing our web applications using Cypress. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include: what is Cypress and how it is different? Set up, write, and run Cypress tests. Cypress core concepts like commands, assertions, aliases, and more. Cypress ecosystem and tooling to learn topics like code coverage, screenshots, videos, and more. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write complete Cypress end-to-end tests for your web applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with JavaScript because Cypress tests are written entirely in JavaScript. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn end-to-end testing your web applications with the Cypress End-to-End Testing JavaScript course at Pluralsight.